Babies, let's enjoy the alphabet A to Z. Purple color, gold color, silver color, green color, orange color, light green color, yellow color, red color, black color, pink color, violet color, brown color, brown color, brown color. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. Violet color. D for dolphin. E for egg. F for fish. Z for grapes. Purple color. H for horse. I for igloo. Z for juice. K for kite. Light green color. L for light. M for monkey. N for necklace. Orange color. O for owl. P for parrot. Q for queen. Red color. R for rain. S for strawberry. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V green color. V for vase. W for watermelon. Yellow color. X for xylophone. Y for yak. Z for zero. A B C D E F Z H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Thank you.